In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Forex Sessions Indicator on TradingView. If you trade currencies or simply want to understand when liquidity tends to pick up, visualizing the global market sessions on your chart is incredibly helpful. The Forex market revolves around four main hubs: Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. And knowing when each is active and when they overlap can help you read price action with more context. Start on any TradingView chart you're working with. At the top of the platform, open the Indicators menu. This brings up the search panel that lets you quickly find the tools you need without scrolling through long lists. In the search box, type the letters FX. Using a short, precise term filters the results quickly and reduces the chance you'll miss what you're looking for. In the list that appears, look for FX Market Sessions and click it to add it to your chart. The moment you do, you'll see colored highlights appear across your chart's background. Each band corresponds to a major trading session, making it easy to spot when one market hands off to the next and when two are open at the same time. Those overlaps, like London into New York, often coincide with higher participation and cleaner moves, so having them visible saves time and guesswork. Take a moment to scan across your recent price action with those highlights in view. You'll notice how volume and volatility often cluster during the most active sessions and how quieter periods can produce choppier movement. If you primarily analyze intraday timeframes, these visual cues can help you decide when to focus and when to be patient. On higher timeframes, the sessions still provide context for where bigger swings began. A quick tip on timing: the session blocks align with your chart's time zone. If something looks off, it's usually because the chart is set to a different zone than you expect. Aligning that with your local time makes the session boundaries intuitive at a glance. If the screen feels busy, that's normal the first time you turn it on. You can keep your workflow simple by focusing on the sessions that matter most to your strategy and using the rest as background context. And if you don't see the indicator right away in the results, confirm you typed FX exactly, then look for the FX Market Sessions name. That's all there is to it. Open Indicators, type FX, then click FX Market Sessions. With those three actions, your chart now shows the global rhythm of the Forex market, right where you need it, on price.